Okay, so we've got these great photos from a recent photo shoot. I'm going to show you how to use them if you want to use them for a story or as a post. So if you want to use it as a story, sorry, I went really fast. I opened Instagram, I swiped from left to right, and it opened up story. Hello, spot on my dress. At the bottom left, I'm going to click that button that shows my photo gallery, and I'm going to scroll down to the photo that I just favorited a minute ago and want to use. From here, I can just tap on the screen with my finger, and it's going to open this text option where I can say, want to grab my favorite photo taking tips. Okay, so once I've typed that, at the top here, you can see a color wheel. I'm gonna click that. My signature color is this pink. You can use whatever you want. From there at the top, you can see the A on the left. I'm gonna click that, and I'm gonna scroll through the different fonts for, whatever strikes my fancy today. And I think today I want this one. I'm going to center that font. Okay. Now, if I want to add some music, I'm going to click the music icon at the top right. And, what this feels like summer.
Like summer. And it feels like summer.
I love this. Okay, so then I'm going to click done.
And it feels like summer.
This
summer.
On the bottom right to post it to my story. If you click the sharing options, it'll give you the options to share also to your Facebook story, which I definitely recommend. I'm not going to post it. Okay. Now, if you want to add text on top of it and use it as a post, you can do that from your phone also. You're going to go to Canva and click new. I'm going to search Instagram, and I'm going to do post portrait. It gives you the most amount of space on the screen. And then I'm going to click down here at the bottom and click camera roll. Oh, but where are these recent photos? Okay. Super strange. So I'm going to find the photo and add to page. Oh, but it's being all squishy. Oh, there we go. Okay. Then I'm going to bring this out. Okay. I'm going to, at the bottom, click this text button. And, okay, I accidentally clicked that. Cool. I'm going to highlight that and say, tips for great photos. Okay, that really looks terrible. Super hard to read. Oop. I'm going to make it smaller. Put it here. Gosh, that contrasts horribly. So I'm going to change the font a little bit and make it more readable. It's so boring though. I'm going to scroll down and see if I can find one that's more fun and legible. Oops, goodness. Let's try Pally. That's fine. Okay. Now I'm going to tap out of it. I'm going to tap this again. I'm going to click ungroup. Okay, I don't need this little and follow anymore, so I'm going to tap it and click delete. And then I'm going to center this. Okay, once I've got that, I'm going to click on the top right here, this down button. It's going to tell me it's preparing my design. It's going to save it to my camera roll. Click Save Image. And then I'm going to go to Instagram. I'm going to open Instagram, click the plus button and go down here, scroll to post. I'm going to find that photo I just edited in Canva, choose it. We could add music if we wanted to. Click the next button, and then you can add a caption. Here are my top 3 tips for taking great photos. And then go into those tips. And that's how you do it. Then now I'd click OK. And at the bottom here, I'd click the black share button.